Nora nTx 020 is a moisture-resistant surface bond enhancer that's required for all nora nTx installations. To use nTx 020, use a microfiber paint roller and a paint tray to apply a very thin, even layer on a clean, dry surface. Avoid thick applications, puddling, voids, and roller lines. The applied nora nTx 020 should have an opaque and smooth appearance. If the nora nTx 020 has an orange peel textured surface, do not continue because the application is too thick. Use a dry microfiber roller to immediately go over the surface again while it is still wet to remove the excess. You will have to mechanically remove thick applications if left to dry. For areas that are being flash coved, apply a thin, even coat of nora nTx 020 to the wall beneath the cap strip using a small microfiber paint roller. If installing nora wall base or sanitary base, you do not need to apply nora nTx 020 to the wall. Nora nTx 020 requires a bond test. See the nTx installation guide or the nora nTx bond test video. When fully dried to a tack-free state, which takes about 60 to 90 minutes, use a standard patch trowel or similar to back trowel the installation area, removing any loose contaminants or debris bonded to the nora nTx 020 surface.